Getting started with a new point of sale system can seem stressful. Between understanding how the app works and getting your hardware set up, you might be wondering where to start. Today, we're taking you through a comprehensive checklist to set up the all-new Shopify point of sale. Hey everyone, it's Ali with Shopify. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now for videos on the all-new point of sale. You can also find the related help articles linked below for everything we touch on today. When working with this checklist, remember that every business is different, so you might not need to take every action listed in this video. Use this checklist as a guide and fit it to your business needs. Now let's get started. First, take a look at the pricing plans listed in the description and see what option suits your business best. There's something for everyone, whether you're using the POS app occasionally at pop-up shops or if you're looking to create a full in-store retail experience. Explore the options and features that each plan comes with and make your selection today. Then, download the all-new POS app on an iOS device. Currently, the all-new Shopify POS is compatible with Apple iOS devices. You can use an iPad or iPhone that is operating on an iOS system of 11 or higher to use the POS app. Next, activate the locations where you're going to be selling in person. Your Shopify plan determines how many locations you can activate. A location can be a pop-up shop, farmer's market, brick-and-mortar store, or wherever your business takes you. Now it's time to set up your Shopify admin. If you don't have products in your Shopify store yet, start by adding the products that you're going to sell. You can do this by uploading products one by one, or if you have a large inventory, you can upload products in bulk using a CSV file. And if you already have products added, make sure they are available to sell on the POS sales channel using the product availability section. You can edit inventory as you add new products, or you can edit inventory using a CSV file or the bulk editor shown here. In the Ali Athletic store, we have two locations, one in San Francisco and one in New York. So we use the bulk editor to enter product inventory for each location. You can also give customers the choice to buy in store and have their products shipped to their home. To do this, you need to have your shipping settings set up with shipping zones and rates. Watch our playlist linked above to learn more about setting up your shipping profiles. If you're planning on using a barcode scanner to add products at checkout, then you need to add barcodes to all of your products. You can create barcodes by using the Retail Barcode Labels app and printing them in bulk from your admin. Next on the list is a thorough review of your tax settings. Shopify uses default sales tax rates, which are updated regularly. If you use the default tax rates, you need to confirm that they're current and correct for your business. If you need to, you can override Shopify's default tax rates. But since taxes are different in every region, you should check with a local tax specialist to make sure you're setting the appropriate tax rates for your business. Next, you need to set up a payment gateway. The location of your store determines what type of payments or payment gateways are available to you. Keep in mind that if you're planning on using Shopify hardware like a card reader, then you need to enable Shopify payments. As a store owner, create different staff roles like assistant manager or sales associate. Then, set permissions for each role and assign staff members to the roles. You can set permissions so staff members can log into the Shopify admin or so they can only log into the POS. You might decide to add third-party apps that are compatible with Shopify POS. Consider using a customer loyalty program like Smile or using an inventory management app like Stitch Labs. Add any POS-compatible apps directly through your Shopify admin. If you plan to sell physical gift cards, then you need to activate the gift card feature in the Shopify admin. Then it's time to order gift cards and other hardware for selling in person. You can order from the Shopify hardware store at hardware.shopify.com. And depending on where you live, you see different hardware options available for purchase. Now, let's set up the POS app. When you first log in to the all-new Shopify POS app, you need to set which location this POS will be used at. This is important because any adjustments you make in the app are saved to that particular location. Next, you need to enable the payment types you plan to accept payments with. This means toggling on Shopify payments, cash, gift cards, and creating any custom payment types if needed. After you receive your hardware from the Shopify hardware store, you need to connect it. Select which hardware piece you're connecting and follow the instructions for setup. On the home screen, Customize the smart grid so you have quick access to frequent actions like add a customer, search collections, add discount codes, or whatever you and your staff need. Now you know how to set up the all-new POS in the Shopify admin and the app itself. Subscribe now for the next video in this series from the Shopify Help Center. If you have any questions, comment below or contact us directly at help.shopify.com/questions.